I'm going to show you how to solve the following differential equations by separating the variables. So let me do part A first. Before I can separate the variables, I will bring this term to the right hand side. So I can now separate the variables by putting all the y's on the left. So I see dy here and I see 3y squared plus 1. So 3y squared plus 1 multiply up. Dy is here. So all the y's are on the left. Now I'm going to put all the x on the right. So 2x is here. And dx can be multiplied up. So now I just have to integrate both sides. So integrating 3y squared is y cubed. Integrating 1 with respect to y is 1y. Integrating 2x with respect to x is x squared plus c. So this is the general solution. Now I'm going to solve the differential equation in part B. Notice that we have extra information. When x equals 1, y equals to 0. This will lead me to find the particular solution. So to separate the variables, let me take all the y's and put on the left. So there's a y here, there's y here, and there's y here. Let me put them all on the left. So keep this y here, bring this y over, and I have dy. And then I have, I'm going to put all the x on the right hand side. So I see dx multiply up. This negative is still here. And I have a 2x squared, which I'm going to divide over. So now I can integrate both sides. So to integrate the left hand side where you have y over y plus 1, notice that this is an improper fraction in an improper rational expression. So you can actually perform long division, but I'm going to just use a simple trick to plus 1 and minus 1. So now I can split up into y plus 1 over y plus 1 minus 1 over y plus 1. So this will cancel nicely to give me a 1. And I'm sure I can integrate 1. And this one can be integrated as well. You'll give me a ln. Now let me start planning the right hand side. I see a half here, which I'm going to factor out. And then I have a 1 over x squared. So now let me rewrite this as a power function. So this x to the power minus 2. So I feel like I'm ready to integrate the whole expression. So integrating 1 with respect to y is y. Integrating this with respect to y is ln of y plus 1. Integrating a power function is to increase the power by 1 and divide by the new power, followed by plus c. So simplify this. Rewrite it a little bit nicer. Minus half times negative 1 is a positive half, and this is a reciprocal, so I have a 1 over 2 and another x. So what I have here is a general solution. So given these values, when x equals to 1, y equals to 0, I can find the particular solution. I just need to substitute these values into the general solution. So we are given y equals to 0. Let me sub here. Minus ln. I'm given y equals 0. So y plus 1, since y is 0, is just a 1. Equal 1 over 2x. I'm given x equals to 1. So sub x equals to 1, I have a half. And then followed by plus c. So if you press the calculator, you will know that ln 1 is 0. So I'm left with c equals to negative half. So with that, I can put the value of c back into this. I have plus c, so c is negative half. So if you can see there's a common half here, what you can do is to multiply by 2 across. So I'll say you can either leave your particular solution in this form or you can leave your particular solution in this form. Both are alright.